Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the best products on the market. Today, we've got something delicious in store for you. We're diving into the world of frozen meatballs, and I'm excited to introduce you to what many consider the best, Rosina Italian meatballs. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews of top quality products like this one. Rosina Italian meatballs, available on Amazon, are a mouth-watering blend of beef, pork, and chicken. These meatballs are fully cooked and ready to enjoy, making mealtime a breeze. They are proudly made in the USA and have the stamp of approval from the Department of Agriculture. What sets these meatballs apart is their exquisite taste. Each meatball is approximately 1/2 ounce in size, and they are made without any preservatives, ensuring you get that authentic Italian flavor in every bite. Let's take a closer look at what goes into these delectable meatballs. The key ingredients include beef and pork, chicken, water, textured soy flour, eggs, and Romano cheese, among others. These premium ingredients come together to create a harmonious blend of flavors that's hard to resist. Now, for some technical details, the product comes in a 26-ounce package, and each meatball is about 1/2 ounce in size. The dimensions of the package are 8.6 by 7.2 by 2.2 inches, and it weighs approximately 1.63 pounds. Let's see what others have to say about Rosina Italian meatballs. With a staggering 4.6-star rating and over 3,700 reviews, it's clear that many people are loving these meatballs. Here are a few highlights from satisfied customers. Whether plain with barbecue sauce or with spaghetti sauce, this product packs a punch of flavor. Very tasty and making my keto diet tolerable. Absolutely love the flavor and texture of these meatballs. My family loves these. We usually wait for them to be in stock since others are a bit disappointing. If you're a fan of Italian cuisine, you might also want to consider these related products. Like McCormick Italian Seasonings, Meatball Master, and Carol Shelby's Original Texas Chili Mix Kit. So, there you have it, folks. Rosina Italian meatballs are a convenient and delicious choice for any meal. With high-quality ingredients and rave reviews, they're certainly worth trying. Plus, they're versatile. You can use them with your favorite sauces, in sandwiches, or as appetizers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you've tried Rosina Italian meatballs before, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy eating!